Good day and welcome to the training on ISO 315 Revised 2019. In this training session, I will start by introducing you to the relevant requirements. Then I will proceed with discussing key changes compared to the previous version of ISO 315, explaining these changes, and then I will close off with discussing key aspects to include in documentation. The following documents are referred to during this training session and is shared together with this recording. Firstly, the standard ISO 315 Revised 2019, and then a document issued by the IAASB, which is called Introduction to ISO 315. Additional information is available on the IAASB, IRBA, and SAICA websites. The links provided here will take you to the relevant pages on these entities' websites.